I got my young birds routing. I don't know if you can see them. They're right over there. They're breaking up here and there, but they're doing pretty good. Like I say, I got 13 of them. They're still learning. This is all my young birds. They're breaking up a little bit, not too bad for a third time out. They don't have no rubber bands on their wings no more. There. I don't know if you can see them, they're way out there. Right now I think I got 10 up in the air, maybe 11, and there's 2 inside cooling. I can hear them, and they're way out there now. They'll be back. They were messing around on the roof. Something to scare them. I don't know where they go. They're already routing. Here we go. They're coming back. That's awesome. Awesome sight. Third time out. Cloudy day here in South Jersey. Kind of hazy. It was a good day to take the birds out for the third time today. I took the rubber bands off their wing yesterday. Here they go. And they're already routing around. I'll put 4 more babies inside the main flying loft for the young birds. I'll put 2 Jensens and 2 for my second combined winter. Here's the babies that coming back already. At least they learn how to kit together pretty soon. Don't forget, this is the third time out. Here they are. They're coming back. Good landing. Some of them up on my roof, on my shed. Some on the loft. And they're all coming back. There you go. Perfect. I don't know, something scared them. Maybe it's a hawk around, I don't know. And they're patting a little bit, but most of them, they're all right. Don't forget, third time out today. I got 6 or 7 of them over here. That's 8 right there, 9, and there's 1 up on the top of that roof. That's 10. They're getting all together. All right, just a short video for you, just to see your the 2019 young birds. This is all my purebreds, and some of them they are mixed from my flying loft. And here's 2 more right there. They're already paired out. They're 3.5 months old. They're already paired out. Try to have eggs. Unbelievable. All right, Stratos 5907. Everything's good and dandy. Have a great day. Thanks for watching my videos.